mortgage rates above the 5% mark, home buyers are facing new challenges this summer.
Well, consumer reporter John Matarese looks at how these higher rates are affecting buyers and what you can do so you don't waste your money.
Sarah and Clay Connor have been trying to find a home during one of the toughest buying markets in decades.
We'd put in an offer and then we got outbid. That was really disheartening.
It was definitely a frustrating experience as a buyer.
Then came this year's big jump in mortgage rates.
It was a little bit alarming when rates went from 3 to 4.
Rates surged from 4 to 5% and briefly to 6%, adding hundreds of dollars to their monthly payment.
We knew that the interest rates were going up, so we knew we wanted to find something quickly.
Realtors say once mortgage rates hit 5% this year, they started to see some buyers simply drop out of the market. But the silver lining is that for those who remained in it, there are a lot more opportunities now to find a home.
I think it's giving people a little bit more of a chance to get out there and have more of a selection.
Realtor Susan Huff says many homes are not getting multiple offers on the first day anymore.
It seems like you have a little bit more time and it's not quite as hectic.
Nathan Grant of Money Tips says you can't control mortgage rates.
I can stress about this all I want, but what can I actually do?
But he says there are factors you can control, such as saving for a larger down payment, working to raise your credit score to qualify for a lower rate, and comparing lenders online for the lowest rate. Nathan says refinancing later on is another option.
We got the home. The market's the same a year later, and we were hoping to refinance a year later. Well, maybe in that same year, your credit has improved and your debt has been paid down. So your personal situation has improved.
Some more good news. Mortgage rates are now dropping again as the economy slows. So the Connors were finally able to lock in a decent rate.
We may have had to buy a smaller home due to the rising interest rates.
So don't get discouraged so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.